Hello everyone and welcome to our weekly Southern Basin market update for Tuesday 3rd of March. Significant rainfall has been recorded across the Southern Basin since last week. Most of this rain has fallen around the growing regions rather than in key catchments, creating challenges for horticulture below choke and likely affecting harvest outcomes. In the Murrumbidgee and above choke regions, final waterings for cotton and rice is now being reported, which may ease short-term demand in those areas. In the Goulburn, recent rain will support pasture growth and on-farm storages, but is unlikely to provide meaningful early support for winter irrigation programs. We're closely monitoring the weather in these rain events and to see if they will convert into substantial inflows. Southern Basin storages are showing some response and are currently sitting around 48% capacity in comparison to 59% for the same time last year. Into the temporary allocation market, demand continues to ease as buyers take time to reassess their needs before entering the market. As a result, pricing has softened and sellers are now adjusting their offers. In terms of actual pricing, Goulburn is sitting around about the 330 to 360 mark, below choke regions 400 to 440, above choke 300 to 320 and the Murrumbidgee around 450 a meg. With both market and weather conditions remaining volatile, prices can still move quickly in either direction. Permanent pricing is still firming in most directions with a clear shift towards high security or high reliability entitlements across most zones, particularly in the Victorian regions of Goulburn and Zone 7 high. Recent Goulburn high trades, excluding allocation, have centred around about the $4,200 per meg mark. In terms of buybacks, the Commonwealth has still been submitting out offers for EOI 1, RFT 1, and for anybody who has been invited to resubmit an offer under EOI 1 RFT 2, this closes on the 8th of April this year, so there is a couple of weeks still to place in your revised offers if you so choose. As far as other markets go and products, forwards, carryovers and leases are still highly sought after, and as temporary markets tend to show signs of softening, buyer expectations are adjusting accordingly. That's it for your Southern Basin update this week. If there's any questions or if you require any tailored advice, please reach out to our team here at Ruralco. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.